What's up, guys? In this video, we will be talking about blockchain games that involves playing puzzles. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright, so this is Trivians, guys. It is a play-to-earn game, and the good part about this one is that you could play it for free. So it's also free-to-play blockchain multiplayer trivia puzzle game. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out the trailer right here so we could have an idea. Alright, there you go. See? It's cartoony. Look at that. All right, nice. So it's telling the story of the game, and you could go ahead and check that one out. I'll be leaving all of the links of the games that we will be discussing anyway. So moving on to the next, guys. The name of the game is Call of Antia. So look at this one right here. It's like a fantasy game, and let's check out the trailer that they have. All right, so this is the one. They have good trailers. Look at that, the animation. Nice. Look at that. She reminds me of like Frozen. All right. So that is the trailer for Call of Antia, guys. Again, you can go ahead and check that one out during your available time. It is available in App Store and Apple as well. So it's rated 4.7 out of 5. And as it says here, match 3 puzzle RPG games with PvP battle dragons in Call of Antia world. So if you click on that, there's a lot of information that you could gather. You could go ahead and check this one out as you do your own research. Now moving on to the next, guys. This is Coin Hunt. So Coin Hunt World, it is also available in mobile. As you guys notice, these are games that you could play with your mobile phone as well. So looking at it, this is how the game is played, and I will show you the trailer in a short while. So about the game, play Coin Hunt World and earn cryptocurrency while exploring the world around you. So it's like those other games like Geopoly. I'm not sure if you've heard about that as well. So that's the type of game that uses like maps and all for its game. So let's go ahead and run the trailer real quick here. All right. So it's cartoony. Look at that, it's cute. This one has a pretty short trailer, so nice. Found your buddy quest. Capcube is here. All right, so that is the trailer, guys. You can go ahead and watch that during your own time. This is the last but not the least. Shoot Number 2048 is also available in mobile. So a little something about Shoot Number 2048. It is a puzzle game that has made it easy and simple logic built on blockchain. So this is also a blockchain game, and the goal of the game is to connect blocks of the same number to create a higher number block. And I also did some research on the creator of that game. So that is Action Fit, and it says here that they are based in South Korea, and Action Fit is a video game with expertise in developing and publishing video games for mobile platforms. So those are my 4 blockchain games that I would like you guys to go ahead and check out, and of course do your own research. And if you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that subscribe, click that bell, that way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I will see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.